Thank you, yo, man.
God first.
God first. Natuloy din ang pangarap ko, mga
Sabi sa dito sa tayo para hindi na kayo ma-pan.
Ambus. Ambus.
Hindi ka na mo ambusin. Okay. Charot.
Umpisa natin sa yung umpisa muna natin to. Ano to? Mission din. Pwede mo konti lang. Story lang kita.
Una-una, Paseco Hospital was envisioned during the time of first term natin. Kasi napapansin ko, maraming natin disgrasya na minsan yung lack of opportunity for what you call golden hour. May tinatawag ng mga doktor na gano'n because of access growth challenges there, minsan mamatay yung mga biktima o ano man ang nag-isip sa pasyente. So we opted to give them, and I think high time already for them, this large community, to have their own Yes. Kasi na-start namin 2020, tapos 2022 before I left. 3 years na kami nga. Hindi ko alam. Parang yun na lang yung nakarami ko isa. Bakit nakapasa? Kasi gusto tayo. Yes, it's not easy. You can make all the excuses in this world. Importante, in every corner, in every turn, there is stumbling block. Depende sa mindset mo. If you're going to use stumbling blocks as stepping stone, it's up to you. Kaya tayo, I think with regard to our dreams and aspirations of the people of Manila, investing into MBN, minimum basic housing, education, healthcare. Tuloy-tuloy yun. This day, excited.
Ang kinukumbert ko ito, order to you, may tao dahil sabi mo, bago mo na naman ang parking.
Parking. Dyan, nagpa-housing dyan. Magkakaroon pa ng fire station dyan.
Ikaw, yes, magkakaroon ng fire station.
Lahat na pwede namin mabuo para umayos at presente. Para maging presente ang pamumuhay.
Ito mo pwede din na makailang
Oo, Intraport. Intramuros support area. About 80,000 of them. Ang community nito that surround this hospital is about 80,000. It's like one municipality or two municipality in the province. That's how it is. Pero ito, at least, pagpasok nila, pagpasok pa lang sila, paano sila nagbubuhay. Pagpasok pa lang nagbubuhay.
ano na to?
Hospital. Dalawang modern hospital na. And we are now renovating. Update ko lang kayo, malapit na. Natabayanan lang yung katulad ng sinabi. Bakit daw hindi na po sa magsabi? Ito, para paalala ko ulit. Katulad nun, ito, magandang simple lang ito. Re-renovate namin yung Sampaloc emergency room. So may design. Approve na ba yun? Hindi. Pinadala mo yun sa DOH. Tapos DOH, sisira sa atin. Babalik sa'yo. Change. Then balik mo ulit. Pagbalik ko, pero pa yung isa. Change. Then, so until it's approved, then you start to build. When it was built, approved yung design. Depende kung tinupad mo ba yung mga nakasaad doon sa sinumite mo. sa UPS. Kasi they are the agency. They are the agency. Whether you like it or not. So, pinakamabisa talaga niya, always coordinate. At saka pagka gusto, maraming paraan. Ayaw, maraming day.
Isa lang okay ko ang please. Naranasan dati walang gamot. Walang laboratory. Nangyayari pa po.
Dito ng mayor, nakabudget na po.
Hanggang December.
Hanggang December. Opo, meron.
Wala nang appointment.
Wala na.
Wala. Kung
Okay
ano?
tayo.
Ano tayo?
Okay tayo.
St. Luke's?
Appointment yun.
You know, gusto natin ng kaayusan na sistema sa ospital. But kung gusto natin gawin yun, gawin natin bilang gobyerno. Not at the expense of our people. Kung tao naman na mahirapan, what's there to have a system? Kahit rest assured, Vice Mayor GNI and the City Council will continue to focus, draft laws, whatever resources we have, if there is, will invest into MBN. Minimum.
May other matters. Kahapon po may na-discover ang Malacanang Royal Substandard na film center sa under the company ng mga Discayas. Pa-investigatin ba natin ito?
I think they're investigating it right now under the IA or Intramuros Administration. So I will let them do their job. And I think even the First Lady, for that matter, in this May, dahil bibigyan niya yan yung ulat na yan sa proper areas.
Kasi yung Discayas
Wala pa namang tax evasion. We're just sending them to SOA. They try to create so many excuses in the past. But moving forward, so not to point fingers, not to point our fingers always in the past, we point it forward. Moving forward. O ngayon, hindi kayo nagbayad ng contractor's tax. Bigyan namin kayo na SOA. Hindi nagbayad. Hindi kita tayo sa kuyo. Also, whatever legal means, because this is due and accrued already. That's where we're at. Yung filing of cases the way we did it with the other contractors. As long as, right, filing of cases, we have evidence, whether it's subcontract or ghost, whatever it is, and whoever it is. Kahit kapapi namin, nininervous ngayon kung may ginawa silang isa. O wala naman, kung silang may bill, kahit kalaban namin sila. Tumawa naman, kalaban namin sa politika. Manatag kayo. Kung wala kayong ginawang masama, wala kayo. Steady lang kayo sa Gedli. Gampanan nyo ang tungkulin ninyo, gagampanan namin ang tungkulin namin. Trabaho tayo para sa public. Because that's the reason of public office. That's the purpose of public office. Do your job. And kung sumama sila, hindi sila sumama sa susunod, that's something for the future. For the meantime, just trabaho lang, ayun lang. Nakita mo yun. Sayang ito, na-deprive yung second merit in a 3 years span. We'll catch up. Dito naman na kami, in our own little way, Vice Mayor GNI and the entire City Council. Tapos, meron kami tinatry dito na bagong sistema. Pagka naging effective yun, we'll do it in our 40 plus health centers in the city of Manila. May pilot kami ginagawa dito. Ibig sabihin pa, every time pupunta ka rito, dapat fresh lagi. Wala na yung need to expiration date. At wala na rin may expire. Ibig sabihin, wasted. Ano yan eh? Trabaho pariwara. Bibili ka ng amoxicillin, yung kailangan pala by Jesse. Hindi nasira lang yung amoxicillin. I guess. Yan ang pagiging masira.
Magpapailan po yung maximum bed capacity nito ay 50 beds. 50 beds. Pag naaprubahan tayo ng DOH sa December,
Hopefully.
i-apply namin na accommodate na natin ang 50 patients.
Sa ngayon, yung OPD mo na. Pero ano yan, progression eh. Tayo naman, maswerte tayo. Pag may pagkukulang Manila, sinasabi naman agad ng DOH, tinutugunan naman natin. Sige, maganda tayo. Chumicha naman kayo? Di ba? Sige, dilipas din yan.